You need to hear this if you're a fish enthusiast. These little swimmers are about to dazzle you. Meet the Neon Tetra, the superstar of freshwater aquariums. Known for their vibrant blue and red stripes, these tiny fish pack a punch of color and energy. Native to the black water streams of the Amazon, they thrive in soft, acidic water. But here's the real magic. Their iridescent stripes reflect light, making them look like they're glowing. Not only are they stunning, but they're also peaceful and get along with most tank mates. Perfect for community tanks. Want to see them at their best? Keep them in schools of 6 or more. The more, the merrier. And don't forget, a well-planted tank with dim lighting will make their colors pop even more. So, if you're looking to add some sparkle to your aquarium, Neon Tetras are the way to go. Happy fish keeping!